Hi there, our part 2 deals with AnimeJS timelines. Timelines are animations that happen one after another. We have built V-sheet blocks in threes. We click the first block and a timeline is executed on all three blocks, one after another, depending on our animations. Let's open the timelines root page we have created. We click the first block, each of the sheets are moved, one after another. The second timeline uses offsets. The third timeline is rather interesting. We have created a delay callback for the timeline and applied some animation to each of the sheets. From the code front, we create a block of sheets in threes. The first sheet is clickable to activate the timeline animation. When the first sheet in a timeline is clicked, the timeline is built based on the targets and then executed. We use the element ID names as targets and apply animation to that element properties. As you can see, an animation can apply to multiple elements. The delay callback is a Banano callback that gets assigned to the delay property. You can see this delay on the third timeline.